beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do another quick video having to do with the WordPress blogging platform. In my last video, I showed you how to upload and install new WordPress themes. I hope you've gone ahead and done that, but also remember to delete the themes that you're not using because it could slow down your site. So in this recording, I'm going to show you how to enable auto updates on your WordPress plugin. But before I go in, just remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel so that you could get more videos on how to work your WordPress blog. Also, there is a playlist having to do with the WordPress blog for beginners. So you could go over there and watch all the videos that I have for WordPress blogging platform. All right, so I've already gone in and logged into my WordPress blog, ClickBank Queen. I'm in the back office. And okay, when you do come onto yours, because I went a little bit further. All right, when you do get onto your WordPress um, blog back office or your dashboard, this is what it's going to look like. To go in and enable auto updates for all the plugins that you have. You will go on to the left side of your WordPress blog and you will scroll down and look for plugins. You will click on installed plugins. And these are all plugins that I've installed to help my WordPress blog either run smoothly or just help it just be better overall. So here we are, we're at all of the installed plugins. And if you slide over to the right where it says automatic updates, you see down here in the blue where it's asking you to enable auto updates. And you will click on that and it's enabling. So you will do that for all of your plugins because the makers of these plugins always update them, I should say, to make them run better, make them make them be more helpful to you as the user. And there are times when, you're not usually in, okay, I'm not going to do this one. You're not usually in your, okay, I got to come back out a little bit. If you're like me, you're not usually in here every day posting on your blog. Well, lately I've been because I've been trying to be a bit more active on my WordPress blog. So I try to get in here every day and post something. But if you don't come in here every day and the user of the plugin updates the plugin, then you won't know, and then that will slow down your blog and it will slow it down from loading and from reaching more people. So this is a way to just get your blog to run a little bit smoother, a little bit faster. And I am enabling all of these for auto updates. Okay. And that is it. Just a quick video showing you how to enable your auto updates and make sure that you do it in order to get your blog to run smoother. Also, if you're watching this video and you log into your blog and you come over here and hit on dashboard and you see over here where you have updates and it has a number next to it in red, make sure you go in and do your updates. It's very important for you to do your updates. If it's suggested that you disable a plugin, make sure that you follow that instruction because it only helps to make your blog more make it be seen by more people. So that was just a quick video showing you how to enable your auto updates on your WordPress plugin of your blogs. If you have questions regarding WordPress that you think I could make a video to address, you could go ahead and leave it in the comment section. But I will be back in order to give you more updates and stuff. So again, thanks for watching my video. Remember to Remember to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and head over to the playlist called WordPress for Beginners and watch all the videos over there as they are helpful to you. Again, thank you for watching, and until next time, take care of yourselves and your family. Bye-bye.